The pitter-patter of little feet. I just got done cleaning the kitchen with the Murphy's oil soap, so all of this has to go back in. I think you're gonna like the video, so come along. I found my extra cards that have the birds on them that I use in the dollhouses because I like how colorful they are, and you know, they have birds and fish and everything. So this is where they came from. Piedmont, the cigarette of quality. So they were a group of lithograph cards featuring various bird and fish species issued by the Piedmont Cigarette, a part of the American Tobacco Company, to promote cigarette sales. Sort of like the baseball cards. But they're just the perfect size to go in the dollhouses. Try to see where I have one that has a fish. Oh, there's a fish. I think I have others, but they may already be in one of the other dollhouses. But I thought maybe you might be interested to know where they came from. I had forgotten, so there we go. Welcome, everyone. So in today's video, we are going to see the kitchen of the dollhouse. And the kitchen of the dollhouse, I think, is my favorite room of all the rooms, even though I like all of them a lot. But the kitchen is very warm and cozy, and it just shows you so much of daily life going on. There's so much, and this dollhouse didn't have anything in it when I first bought it. So everything that's in this dollhouse I've had to collect, you know, buy, especially for this dollhouse. So let me open the door and let's take a look. Here on the right-hand side of the kitchen, we can start here. You can see that they have a sewing machine. They sew all of their clothes and anything that they need in the house. Here is a box of imported fabric to make whatever they need. If we come over here, you see that there is a world map. And this area where Anna is sitting is an area where they would correspond to family members, writing letters and maybe reading the paper. She also does her diary here. And this is the cat of the house. And then if we move back here, you can see that they have a wash basin for the dishes, and some of their dishes back here. They have a thing of cheese on the cheese board. And then also they have a area where they keep a lot of their dry goods. Back here. And they have their Bird in the bird cage. And I can see that there has been some kind of a little disaster with cups and things being tipped over. That must have been by Mr. Cat, although he's usually very careful, so maybe he's not the one to blame for that. And then also, if you can see down here, we have 2 puppies that are in their puppy crate. And we have another set of puppies, a little older, that are in their basket. And let me adjust the camera and we'll look at the other side of the room. Okay, so on the other side of the room, we'll start at the front, and you'll see their oven, which they use for all the cooking that they do every day, or to heat up water. It also keeps them warm. Next to that, also, which keeps them warm, is their fireplace. They also use the fireplace to maybe warm up a dish. You'll see that there is a blue and white pot on the fire basket, and you see that there is wood in the fire basket, and there's some coal on the fireplace floor. And if we move up, you'll see there's 2 large candlesticks. I wanted to mention that I make all of the candlesticks in all of the dollhouses. And if you're interested in knowing how I do that, leave a comment down below and I'll make a short video. You only need 2 items and you have those more than likely in your home. So they come out they come out more older looking. So if your home, your dollhouse is something that's very new, maybe you would not like this, but I wanted something that looks vintage and aged. Also above the fireplace is the daguerreotype of their mother. And then you'll see behind Izana is the green dresser that was in the makeover. I think it adds so much more to the room having the contrast color than it would have if I had just left it the wood color. Well, I guess that's just about everything that I can show you in the kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please watch for the last room to be done in the dollhouse, which will be the sister's bedroom. And then there'll be a final video of the whole house and all the rooms. So please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.